What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. What up, low roller? What's up? Blurry. What's blurry? Camera? Looks fine to me. Thanks for being here, dude. R.I.P. Vince McMahon. What happened to Vince McMahon? Yeah, I've never been into wrestling too much, but I did read something. There was some type of scandal, I think, right? So maybe that's what you got linked there. So appreciate that. We'll get to that. It looks blurry. Really? 1 second. Well, what up, Swirls, and what up, PZ? What's up, guys? Give me 1 second. You guys are saying it's blurry. Let me see what's going on here. Well, Swirl says it says it's fine now. YouTube says it's saying, I think it's fine now. I think it was just like a drop in connection there or something. I think we're good. But let me know, guys. Took a while to clear up. Interesting. I think it's good now, but let me know, guys, if it's if it acts up again. Alright. Yeah, so what up, Swirls? What up, Low Roller? What up, PZ? What up, Beezle Bub? Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone.
Hey. What's up?
And happy Friday, everybody. PZ, did you end up selling those covered calls? You were asking about it this morning, so we'll wonder what's up with that. Let me know, dude. Okay. So today is Friday, June 17th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Okay. So today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. I guess we could have went with the stock market too, because the Dow Jones did finish a bit in the red here. But for the most part, it's tendies. I think crypto's not doing too bad as well. I think, right? So, yeah. Neutral to slightly bullish day. Could have went with the stock exchange or Tendy Town. We'll just go with Tendy Town. What up, Austin? What's up, dude? A lot of people in here nice and early. Appreciate everyone. Vince McMahon will be SmackDown tonight show. Why? Is he making a speech or something? Yeah, I don't really watch wrestling. But we'll check out that article you got there, dude. WWE will get a new CEO. Yeah, I think I read that. He's resigning, stepping down, because I think there was some scandal. No fish not biting today. Alright, dude. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're just setting your price too high or what. Nothing wrong with that. You know. Good. It'd be awesome if it fills. But you've been saying it hasn't been working, so maybe your price is too high. That's why you haven't been able to get a fill. But if it's not the right price, then you don't have to give it. But because you said you've been trying for a couple weeks now, right? I think. But yeah, let me know, dude. Vince is stepping down as CEO of WWE. Yeah, I did see an article on CNBC about that. Really don't know what's going on there, but I guess we'll find out right now. Lower Roller has a link for us. All right, guys. So yeah, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Happy Friday, everyone. And today wasn't so bad. Not so bad. Slightly bullish. I'll take it. Definitely take it. Seems like tech did the best. And honestly, guys, I don't really have too much planned for today. Because there's not much going on. Not much news to cover. And when I looked on StockTwits, I was thinking about doing Redbox. Let me see here if anything changed. But it was either between like Redbox, AMC. Maybe we could do AMC, because AMC went up 6%. And then there was Revlon, which was the big stock today, which I chose to talk about. That's up 90%. But that only had 3,000 mentions, so I don't even know if it's worth it. But yeah, I guess it's definitely, I guess it's between AMC and Revlon. So for now, we're going to do Revlon. But if you guys want me to talk about AMC, and I guess we'll double check here once we're done with the articles, see if the price movement changes or anything. But yeah, I really don't have too much plan for you guys today. So for now we'll stick with Revlon. Big price action there. Uh, so yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. I got 2 articles today, both crypto articles about possible liquidation, more shenanigans going on there. And yeah, today, as I just said, we're just gonna do Revlon for now, subject to change. We'll double check and when we get through with the news, maybe we'll do AMC as well. But for now, we're just doing Revlon. And then we'll get to the Yolos, and Yolos, mostly memes today. I think there was like one actual YOLO, so that shouldn't take too long. So yeah, today's show should be pretty short, to be honest. I say probably hour and a half. Maybe 2 hours if you guys come in and chat. Friday is the best day for streaming. That's when the community is most active. So if you guys want to come in and chat, that's cool with me. But other than that, I really don't have too much planned today. Not too much content to go over. So should be short and sweet show. All right, so let's do it, guys. This time it is not fake storyline. Yeah, I don't think it's fake. It's some actual scandal going on. He will make big announcement SmackDown for Vince McMahon. Interesting. I guess I'll check it out tonight. Sounds like a big thing going on here. How about Mullen up again? Yeah, Mullen did go up. How much did that go up by? I think that finished in the green. Yeah, that was number 7 on StockTwits. So, honorable mention Mullen, 5.56%. But that only got 2,600 mentions, so we're not going to discuss it today. But yeah, Mullen is coming back slowly here today. And still got another week to go before the Russell 2 and 3,000 editions there. AERC stock? Yeah, I haven't seen that one. Oh, I think that one's not too popular anymore. No, it's not on StockTwits anymore. Not top 10. So, yeah, not sure what happened today with AERC, but that lost momentum. Mullen made me proud today. Yeah, so it sounds like you guys making some attendees back on Mullen. So, congrats to you guys. Give you the money here. And all right, Low Roller, got your article. Oh yeah, that's right, guys. Thanks for reminding me. Yeah, Monday no show. Long weekend this week because Monday is Juneteenth. I think it's the first Juneteenth ever for the stock market. So, yeah, no show on Monday. Extended weekend. Catch you back on Tuesday. And what up, Tyler? What's up, dude? Who do you think is new CEO? I have no idea, dude. Tried to break out AERC. Let me check it real quick. Elon Musk, probably. Elon Musk, what? Yeah, I see AERC here. It is pumping a little bit in the aftermarket. It's up a little bit today, 3%. Going up a little in the aftermarket here. So keep an eye on that, yeah. So this was squeezing, and I guess it technically still is, but lost a lot of momentum on social media. So honorable mention there, AERC. Alright, guys, so thanks everyone for joining me today. Appreciate everyone. Let's get to the show. Let's get started. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, let's do it. Glad for the weekend. Yeah. I'm glad for the extended weekend, too. So we can take a break from all this guh. And just get some time to relax. Oh, wrong one. Alright, gotta take a quick drink before we get started here. My mouth is pretty dry. Trump should be new CEO of WWE. I think that would work for the ratings. I think they gave some pretty good ratings. He already was there before. Oh, he was a guest. But that'd be pretty funny. Not gonna happen though. I've been eating KFC tendies every day. Bad influence. I'm a bad influence. Are you eating it because you're making tendies, or they're just good? Yeah. Try to stay away from fast food, guys. It's bad for you in the long term. But they're pretty Pretty delicious. KFC. I love Popeyes too. That's like the only fast food I eat anymore. Popeyes. Elon Musk is my prediction for next WWE CEO, but Trump would do well too. Oh, next president. Yeah. I don't think Elon Musk has been on WWE, has he? No, he hasn't. That'd be pretty funny though. He does seem like the type that would do it. He should have some like Doge gimmick. But yeah, both of them would be pretty interesting characters for next president. We'll see. Maybe Triple H. I don't know. Another article. All right, got your low roller. AERC has so much upside. Yeah, looking at it here. Yeah, it looks like it's not done just yet, but definitely losing momentum. So I think it's due for a little bit of a pullback, but it's holding up pretty well. Momentum has been cooling off, but it's still been going up slowly every day. So maybe this one will squeeze. Not saying it will, not financial advice, but yeah, this one's pretty interesting. More link in the chat. All right, got you, dude. Elon Musk should buy WWE. He definitely could. I think Twitter's enough for him, though. I would pay to see Elon Musk in the ring, though. Pay-per-view. Don't do that much. All right, guys, let's get started here. All right, so the Dow Jones down 0.13%. NASDAQ up 1.24%, and the S&P up 0.22%. So, yeah, slightly bullish day. Dow Jones down, S&P up, NASDAQ is up a lot. So, yep, we'll give that some applause. Small victory today. VIX is down 5.52%, down 1.82 points. And we're down to 31 now, 31 VIX, which is still pretty bad. But, hey, we're slowly making our way back down. And then it's probably going to jump back up over 30 again for the rest of 2022. Rinse and repeat. But, so yeah, pretty bad VIX. Heading in the right direction, though. All right, let's check out the watch list. We'll start on the red side, because not too many things in the red here. Looks like oil's going down. Big and small cap. I see INDO down 6%, BP 6%. That's pretty bad. Exxon too. Exxon about 6%. So oil's going down today. Chevron as well, 4.6%. And then just a bunch of memes here. DWAC, MMAT, BitNile, HYMC. Target is down. Good amount, 2.5%. CEI, I think Joe posted something in Discord about CEI earlier. That's down 2%. Gold, silver, AMD a little bit. And looks like some financial companies. TD, JP Morgan, got McDonald's here. But yeah, not much going down today. Mostly a few growth stocks and oil. Oil getting hit the hardest. Energy stocks. There's also Costco. Costco went down 1%. So yeah, it looks like oil, financials, and some random stuff going down today. Not much in the red. I caught a 12% move on Redbox today. Was hoping it would run on open. Are you still in, Tyler, or are you diamond handing? You're still in your diamond handing, or you hit the sell button yet? So, congrats to you, dude. Give you the money here. Good luck. Hope it works out. And what up, 1010? What's up? Here comes the first siren of the day.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Here, the site will limit withdrawals 1,500 a month. All right, you got a lot of stuff for us today, low roller. All right, we'll get to that. Now I got out at close, nasty head and shoulders on the hourly forming. So it sounds like you're in the green. So congrats to you, dude. Nice gain there. Nice quick scalp. Alright, sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. Let's go to the green side here. So I see a good amount of green, good amount of price action. Let's check it out. Not gonna spend too much time on this. Oxygen's up 11%. Wish is up 11%. Fubo. Looks like travel stocks are coming back up. They've been getting wrecked lately. Norwegian's up a lot, 10%. Carnival 10%. Yeah, a lot of memes here. Roblox, Nikola, Virgin Galactic, Neo. Looks like China did pretty good today. Neo 8%. GME 7.5. Got Palantir up a lot. Novavax, DraftKings, Uber, American Airlines, Moderna up 6%. DoorDash, there's a Mullen 5.6. I don't see too many blue chip stocks here. There's American Express, 5%. Clover up. Meme index is up 4.6%. And there's Robinhood, BBIG, Lee, SoFi. A lot of memes and growth. MicroStrategy. Looks like 420 is up today. There's Redbox, honorable mention Redbox. Still trending very high, but not much movement, so we're not going to do it today. Oh, here we go. Chipotle, 2.5%. Amazon, 2.5%. PayPal. More airlines and stuff. Tesla, 1.7. Yeah, so it looks like, for the most part, value went up slightly today, but really most of the movement was growth. So yeah, overall, seems like a slightly bullish day. Nothing too crazy, but hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. Good way to end the week. And it's 420, guys. Make a wish. Alright, so there's the stock market today, guys. Slightly bullish, slightly green. Definitely not complaining. Alright, let's move on to crypto. Oops. What up, Zach? What's up, dude?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Someone blasting their music outside, so hope you guys don't hear it, or it's not too loud. Alright. Not convinced yet, Guh? Not convinced about what? Recession? Yeah, I think there's still more pullback to go. But today's a slight win. Thanks, Banner, dude. So alright, there we go. And let me check YouTube real quick. 11 viewers, 8 likes. So a lot of people in here today. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Seems like a lot of lurkers today. Because not too many people chatting, but it says 11 people. So appreciate everyone who's here. All of the regulars and everyone in the background.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And please smash the like button. Please and thank you. The bull run. Oh, the bull... What bull run? We're going to have like a little 1 week, 2 week mini bull run and then all gone in 2 days. That's 2022 for you. Every time I think the bull run is here, yeah, go. And then my hopes and dreams get shattered. VIX down around 31, market chilling out a bit. Yeah, it did come back down like 5.5% today, so pretty big pullback in the VIX. Heading in the right direction, but yeah, not great, not great. We just can't like ever stay under 25 now. And thank you, Zach. Slap the like button. Yes, please, guys. Please and thank you. All right. Oh, crypto's down today. It's like slowly bleeding every single day. So here's crypto. That's down 1.18% today. Ouch. So yeah, trending Bitcoin. Why Celsius up today? Interesting. Up 11%. And Metis DAO. Biggest gainer, Siren Labs, Handy, and Space Pig token. Or Space Pig coin. Okay. And Squid Game 2.0, what is this? Oh my god.
Hey, you're gonna lose all your money. That's a scam.
Alright, enough of that. Let's get to the actual crypto here. And yeah, every single day, this seems like it's bleeding more and more. Like, it's not anything crazy anymore. But yeah, every day I check my portfolio, and I'm like, make it stop, make it stop. Alright, let's see what's going on here. I heard Sasha Banks from WWE got fired yesterday. Sasha Banks is cousin of Snoop Dogg. My conspiracy, Vince McMahon have relationship with Sasha Banks. I don't know, dude. Is she hot? I don't even know who she is. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. You know, Vince McMahon is the big dog. We were up 1% pre-market, down 2% from there, and closed pretty much where we closed yesterday. We did break the lows from yesterday, though. I wouldn't swing anything. Hit it and quit it. Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, crazy times. Lower lows and a lot of volatility. So, yeah, you know, hopefully this is near the bottom. It should be, according to like historic recession charts and stuff. But yeah, every single day go. Tether market cap decreasing every day. Last week it was 72 billion. Well, market cap for everything is going down. All of crypto, not just Tether. For all the stable coins. But yeah, USDC is catching Tether. Tether's at 69 billion. Nice. And USDC is number 4 now, right behind it, 55 billion. So USDC is probably going to overtake Tether pretty soon. Which it should, honestly. But yeah, everything is getting drained here. The overall market cap went from like 3 trillion. Now it's under 900 billion. So a lot of crypto's been taken out. End of capitulation, I guess today, with today being the triple witching options thingy. Yeah, it's always like pretty anticlimactic. All this rebalancing and triple witching, quadruple witching, all this stuff. It's like everyone's hype about it, and then it happens, and the market didn't even go up that much. Sasha Banks walked out on WWE. She didn't get fired. I don't even know what's going on. I'll check it out later. Sasha Banks and Vince McMahon. Busy cleaning, just listening. All right, appreciate you, Tyler. It's crazy to think that we're heading to new highs from here throughout the second half of the year. You mean new lows? I don't know about. I hope we hit some highs, but we're just making lower lows, or higher lows, lower lows, I think. Okay, back to this. So yeah, Bitcoin down 2%. Pushing 20K now. It's at 20.5K. Sick. Disgusting. Ether down 2%. That's below 1100 now. So yeah, Bitcoin's down 29% for the week. Ether 35%. The alts are holding up compared to Bitcoin and ETH. Binance is up a little bit. Cardano up a little bit. XRP, Solana, Doge. So seems like the alts are bouncing today, and Bitcoin and ETH are the ones getting wrecked. It's coming back a little bit actually now. Not too much price action. FTX up 2%. Litecoin 1%. Polygon 2%. Chronos 3.4. More green it seems like. Bitcoin Cash 7%. Interesting. Yeah, let's sort this out, but there's not too much price action today. But I think the market cap is a bit misleading. 1% in the red. Yeah, let's sort this out. Alright, let's see here. So yeah, so a good amount of coins in the green here. A little bit of lag. Yeah, it seems pretty. Seems like 50-50 pretty much. So yeah, 50% of the coins in the green, 50 in the red. So I guess there's more price action on the red side. Interesting. Yeah, biggest gainer on the green side, Stacks, 21%. Big drop off from there. Then it's Helium, 11%. And the Bitcoin Cash, 7 or 6.5. So yeah, growth coins definitely leading the way today. Value not doing too much. Value not moving too much. Golden State won yesterday? Yeah. So congrats to Steph Curry and the Warriors. They still got it. They still got it. And, you know, still got a good future, too, for the team. So, yeah, no more basketball. Kind of makes me sad. But still got baseball and football's coming back pretty soon. All right, on the red side, yeah, this is kind of weird. Because it seems like there was more movement on the green side than the red side. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the overall. Well, I guess because Bitcoin and Ether is really pulling down everything here. So yeah, on the red side, about 50% of the coins in the red. And most of it is growth as well. But yeah, Bitcoin down 1.5% and ETH down 1.5%. So yeah, it seems like all coins are doing well today. Growth is doing well. But the overall market is down because Bitcoin and Ether are down. And they have a lot of dominance right now. Like 60% of the market. Yeah, approximately. So, yeah, slightly. Well, I guess it depends. If you're big on Bitcoin and ETH, then slightly bearish day. But if you're big on altcoins, then slightly bullish day. So the crypto apes won today. But yeah, overall, slightly bullish day in stock market, slightly bearish day in crypto. So pretty neutral overall. Nothing too eventful going on today. White to still play basketball. Kidding. I'm a Mavs fan. Yeah, the Mavs had a good season. Knocked off the Suns. Better than me, you know. I'm a Knicks fan. Forever sad. Vince don't have enough money for that box. Just my thoughts. Oh, she sounds bad. I gotta check her out. What's her name? Sasha, whatever. I think Vic's got the money though. Vince, he's pretty stacked. Sasha Bank. We'll check it out here in a second. What up, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Lagging a little bit. Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Yes, you made it. Glad you could make the show. And please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. All right, let's get to the articles here. And let me look up Sasha Bank. Sasha Banks. I think I've seen this trick before. Sasha Banks. Not bad, not bad. Definitely very fit. Pretty in the face. I don't know about the blue hair, though. But word. She's pretty bad. Alright, cool. Alright, let me pull up the articles now. NATA on triple digit IMPP. It's gonna be a while for triple digits. I guess we could take a look at IMPP after we're done with the articles here. Sasha Bank on new Star Wars TV show on Disney Plus. What, Obi-Wan? Alright, so she's getting into her acting thing now. Yeah, I'm happy for all the wrestlers that move on to better acting gigs. And I think when times get tough, you go back to WWE. That's what you do. Anyway, let's get back to this. All right, guys. So today I got 2 articles, and I guess Low Roller has some more links for us. But I only got 2 articles here. One about 3 Arrows Capital. This was a pretty big story today. 3 Arrows Capital, and one about some Hong Kong crypto exchange. Babel. Never heard of it, but apparently there's some pretty big news too. Let's check it out. So BlockFi had to liquidate a large client, which is 3 Arrows Capital, which is a hedge fund. Crypto hedge fund, I think. Some sources say that lenders have liquidated 400 million from 3 Arrows. And 3 Arrows reassures that it's working on recovery. Sorry, investors, we just lost 400 mil. We just got margin called, but we're good. Yeah, this, ouch. This sucks. So I think they had a lot of Bitcoin and they got margin called. So, they're not at Michael Saylor's level. Not yet. So, yeah, big liquidation here. So, I think, yeah, 3 Arrows took a big L and BlockFi took a big L here. Imagine Michael Saylor gets liquidated. It could happen. So, yeah, big crypto hedge fund going down today. Not going down, but took a big L. 3 Arrows Capital. IMPP Ramen. I will check it out in a second. Celsius will be the new Mt. Gox. Yeah, or the new BitConnect. I guess Mt. Gox would be a better example, because it was actually like an exchange. Yeah, it's still a developing story. We'll see what happens, but not looking good for Celsius. Did Elon get in trouble with bribery? No. I don't think it was for bribery, but I think he got in trouble for space. Well, he's in trouble for a lot of things right now, but the newest thing is he fired some employees that were talking bad about him internally. There was like some email chain going around bashing him, and I think they all got fired. But yeah, this guy just can't stay out of the news nowadays. Glad I pushed sell button on Saidu. Otherwise, big triple thanks to you. Yeah, dude, I'm glad you got out of there. I think you got a small profit, right? I don't think you made that much, but you got out of there with a small gain, and could have been really bad today, so. Now, of course, none of this is financial advice, so I'm glad my advice for you yesterday worked out. Elon Musk got lawsuits on Dogecoin. Dogecoin founder suing Elon Musk for 258. Yeah, we talked about that yesterday. 258 billion. So I don't even think he's worth that much. But yeah, he's suing him for Doge Ponzi scheme. It was not a Ponzi scheme. It was a pump and dump, if anything. But yeah, there's that. He's getting sued for the exual. I gotta talk in code here. Exual claim on the SpaceX private flight. He was asking the attendant for massages and stuff, and getting accused over there now. The whole Twitter thing, yeah, there's just a lot of drama with Elon Musk right now. Can't stay out of the news. Short ladder attack. On what? Yeah, manipulation, everything short ladder attack. Sure he was? Sure he was what? Talking about Elon Musk? Alright, so next article here. Crypto suffers another beating. Hong Kong-based Babel. Babel? We'll call it Babel. Babel Finance halts withdrawals. Uh-oh. So many memes. There it is. So this is the Hong Kong version of Celsius. Kind of sounds like. Babel Finance, based in Hong Kong, has temporarily halted withdrawals and redemptions of crypto assets on Friday. Yeah, so it cited unusual liquidity pressure as the main reason why it was forced to make the decision. So, yeah, huge red flag. I hope they don't go bankrupt, but they're in a bit of trouble right now. So they say it's just temporary, but we'll see how it goes. So, yeah, this stuff is really, really scary. I've never heard of Babel, but yeah, it sounds like one of these smaller exchanges from Hong Kong, kind of like how Celsius is a smaller exchange here. So yeah, more crypto drama, more companies not folding just yet, but a lot of companies in trouble and may go out of business. So, shout out to everyone who got their money stuck in Celsius and this now, Babel. Hope it works out. I couldn't even imagine. All right, now let's open up Low Roller stuff. So that's all my articles here. I think Low Roller has a bunch of stuff from us. There are so many BitConnect and crypto winter now. Yeah. I mean, honestly, most of crypto is a scam. Maybe a couple hundred are legit, if even that. So, yeah, it's exactly that, a scam. It's BitConnect. So when in the bull market, everything runs, but then in the bear market, only the legit crypto survives. So yeah, a lot of them are going to get deleted. You're near the bottom when such news pops up. But that that all these hedge funds are liquidating these exchanges. Yeah, very, very shady. I sure hope we're near the bottom. But honestly, I don't think so. Not just yet. Other sketchy China stuff. They have to check into locations with some sort of C19 app. People who traveled to banks to protest magically had C19 on the app, so they couldn't protest. Okay, we'll check that out. Thanks for that, 1010. And yeah, what up, Brucey, and what up, Wilson? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, everyone. Appreciate you, as always. And please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Thank you, guys. All right, let me open up some Low Rollers links here. He has a bunch today. So yeah, I didn't have too much planned today, guys, but looks like a lot of people in here chatting, which is typical of Friday. So, yep, always a pleasure to kick it with you guys. And once again, appreciate everyone. A lot of links here. Yeah, there's a lot of chat already. I'm scrolling through looking for the links, but there's a lot of chat today. So appreciate you guys. Shout out to the Smarter Gambling community. All right, there's the last one. Okay, let's give this a second to finish loading, and we'll look at all the articles you guys got for me today. All right, what do we have here? Vince McMahon steps aside as WWE chairman, CEO during an investigation into alleged hush money payment. Uh-oh. So he paid hush money to a former employee over alleged affair. Who is the former employee? Is it Sasha Banks? Well, is this illegal? It just looks bad. I guess it's bad PR, but I guess he doesn't have to step down. And it says he will retain his role in creating content. So, I think he's just stepping down from the title because it looks kind of bad. Alright, so developing story. But yeah, he's been, like, I don't really watch wrestling like that, but he's been there for a while. I think since I was in middle school, or even before that. Yeah, definitely when I was in middle school. And I'm, like, pretty grown now, so. Interesting. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on this story. Alright. How's the stuff still loading? Probably got a lot of ads on these links here. Hope it's not lagging too much. It says Finblocks imposes 1.5k monthly withdrawal limit amid 3 Arrows capital uncertainty. So who's Finblocks? Is that another exchange? Crypto staking and yield generation platform. So it sounds like DeFi. Okay. So yeah, if 3 Capitals goes down, then I guess Finblocks goes down. So yeah, it's whole ecosystem, whole economy here. So this relates to 3 Arrows, which we just talked about. And I think you have this article here, same thing. 3 Arrows confirms heavy losses from Luna's collapse. Yep. So they're looking to get bought now. Liquidating and to get bought. Taken over. So I guess we got some more information here. 3 Arrow invested $200 million in Luna. Damn. They took a huge L on Luna. On everything but Luna, damn. So they had $3 billion. They owe $6 million to crypto exchange BitMEX. Lost 200 mil on Luna. And largest holders of Grayscale, which is a pretty legit fund. Alright, so yeah, we'll see what happens with 3 Arrows Capital. I didn't even know who they were, but a lot of news coming out about them. What was this? Yeah, we already looked at this one too. Babel. There's Finblocks. Oh, this is the website. Finblocks has paused all reward distributions, changed withdrawal limits, and disable creation of new crypto addresses. Yep, stay far away, guys. If you see this earn 90% APY on crypto, you should probably stay far away. Even before the suspended withdrawals. Interesting. Alright, last article here. CNN. China's bank-run victims plan to protest, then their C-19 health codes turned red. Yeah, some New World Order stuff here. Wow. Well, I guess it's better than getting beaten and thrown in jail. But yeah, that's pretty shady. They could just change your C19 code now. The fact that you even have one is crazy. We don't do that here. Which bank is this? Doesn't even say which bank. Yeah, that's a problem. So he put 900K in the bank and it doesn't have his money. Oh my god. Yeah, so long article. But yeah, so he got scammed. The bank took all his money, not giving it back. Won a protest and China's shutting it down. Very unfortunate. Yeah, I would not want to live there. So, we complain about a lot of stuff that's wrong with our country here, but at the end of the day, I think we need to, be a little more grateful. Because, so we got some crazy stuff happening, but, this is some legit crazy stuff. New World Order stuff here. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. So that's all the articles for today, guys. All the links. Let's read some comments. Mullen running slowly but surely. It is recovering. It is recovering. So I think it's going to keep running for the next week. And then probably dump after the Russell rebalance happens. But yeah, hope you guys are making some money back on there, on Mullen. Oil starting to tank, by the way. So bottom next 2 weeks, then bull run on CPI. FOMC inflation peak 2.0. Yeah, oil did go down today quite a bit. So you think it's gonna go down for the next 2 weeks, then run again? Possible. Yeah, I think, in the longer term, it's gonna keep going up. But yeah, I think it is due for a short-term pullback. It's been going crazy. Who was no new CEO? I don't know, dude. Triple H. They have to disclose large sums of money in SEC filings, and they took a little too long to do it. Legally, not a big deal, but PR nightmare. Stephanie McMahon is new CEO. Yeah, she's married to Triple H, right? Yeah, she could do it too. Fin blocks I posted in the website link chat. Yeah. Clicked on that already. Damn you, I was like, I don't need to read about this WW rumor garbage, and now I've gone down a dark rabbit hole. New CEO is married to Triple H. Yeah. That's old news though. I don't even watch wrestling, and I knew Triple H was like the son-in-law of Vince McMahon. He retired, and he's part of the production now. And that is legit, like a legit marriage. Did BBIG CEO get in trouble with fraud? I have no idea, but you know what? I would not be surprised, because it kind of seems like they're committing fraud on their investors right now. Your new CEO is Stephanie McMahon. Don't see anything reputable on BBIG. CEO equal fraud. Just people complaining on Twitter. BBIG is trash. My personal opinion, bad experience. Yeah, there's nothing that you can outright call him a fraud for, but he's definitely showing some questionable behavior to the investors. I'll definitely say that. It's not reassuring. But he can't be like he's a fraudster outright like that. EBIX went full apish today following short report yesterday. Should have played it today. Oh well. Yeah, we saw that yesterday on the Hindenburg report, right? Yeah, it did come back quite a bit today. They're probably covering their shorts. Part of it, at least. I just post one more link. Yeah, I think it's a bit too late to open it, dude. But, yeah, who's the new CEO? Stephanie, right? Tencent says he's agreeing with Zach about oil going up by August. Yeah, I think short term is going to pull back a little bit, but, oil's not going anywhere. Need it more than ever now. Some TA on U.S. oil would be nice. Is it U.S. oil, the ticker? I think we tried looking at that before. No, it's not actually a ticker. What's the ticker on that, dude? Are you expecting market squeeze next week after triple witching? Not really. I hope so. I hope it comes, but you know, you really can't expect anything nowadays. No, I kind of expect more of the same. I think we're gonna recover a little bit. There's some gaps to fill on SPY right here. May come back up to 400, fill some gaps, and then we may make some lower lows after that. But the low here is 362, which is pretty much recession territory. So hopefully this time is the bottom. But kind of have a feeling it's gonna recover to like 400, then go below 360 again. We'll see. Shane McMahon should be new CEO. Who's that? The Sun? Will Disney buy WWE? Maybe. They got the money to. But like live action that's not really the thing. They're more into, you know, anime. Movies and stuff. Not like live stunts. Nuclear MOAS? Yeah, maybe this time Nuclear MOAS. Are you watching SmackDown tonight for big announcement? I watched the highlights. I'm not gonna watch the show. I actually typed US oil on TradingView. Yeah, I don't know. It's not working on TD, so it must be under something different. But if you have a different ticker, you know, we could look at that. I want to see Triple H and Stephen McMahon hurt Vince McMahon. Take him out tonight show. Yeah, just turn this into a gimmick. That'd be pretty funny. CL is crude oil futures or CL1? CL is Colgate Pump Palmolive. Let's try CL1. No, it doesn't work in TD either. Yeah, it's the tickers are a bit different in TD. Alright, guys. So yeah, that was all the links for today. That took quite a bit of time, almost an hour. It's 4:56 now. So, all right, let's double check StockTwits real quick, see if anything changed. But so we could either do AMC or Revlon, or AMC and Revlon, or just AMC, or just Revlon. And honestly, there's not too much to talk about on AMC. Not too many indicators. Revlon too. There's not too much to talk about. I don't know. What do you guys think? Because AMC went up 6.2%. That's a decent price action. It had 5,000 mentions, and Revlon had 3,000 mentions. But that went up a lot. Yeah, let's take a vote. Let's take a poll. AMC and Revlon, or just Revlon? And sorry about the sirens, guys. I think we're just gonna do Revlon. I don't know. Let me see AMC. Cause there's not even too much to talk about on the TA. I think either Exxon or Chevron illustrate oil price action pretty good. All right, we'll check one of those out. I'm hoping for 417 and pullback for inverse heady. 417 would be very nice. I'll take 400. 417's we were just there actually not too long ago, but seems pretty far from where we're at now. Shane McMahon versus Stephanie McMahon for CEO. You want them to fight it out in the ring? That'd be a good match. WWE stock didn't tank hard today due to big news. Yeah, I guess it's not as big as a scandal as people think. By the way, clown on me for covering my Exxon at 102 last week. Guh. Oh, man. Yeah, it came down quite a bit from there. That sucks, dude. Did you cut for a loss? Yeah, that was near the high, 102. Damn, dude. Yeah, so it was overvalued, overbought, overvalued not too long ago. Like last week. And now RSI's at 34, so yeah, ouch, dude. That sucks. Oh, well, that's how it goes. What up, educated fool? Ladder match? Yeah, let's have the whole family do a steel cage. Steel cage. And ladder and chairs and stuff. Is it a TLC? Tables, ladders, chairs? When I used to watch wrestling, like in middle school, that was a popular thing. Steel cage match and TLC. It's Friday. I do AMC and call it. Nobody likes makeup anyway. Yeah, it just had, it's just has some pretty big price action here, but not too much mentions. Only 3,000 mentions. And what up, O'Milly? What's up? Give you guys who just came in the what's up here.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Rev was good. Yeah, Rev did really good today. Did you make money? Hope you did, dude. Thanks for being here. Educated Fool says Rev. So I guess you guys want Rev. And Beelzebub says AMC. So you guys want Rev and AMC. Alright, peace out, Tyler. Have a good weekend. Long weekend. Catch you later. See you next week. Take a peek at XLE if you want to see oil company ETF. And I'm watching Drip 3X Bear Oil ETF. Yeah, I think Exxon was good enough for that. But why not? We'll see XLE real quick. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same. Not as many gaps. Micro gain. Yeah, green is green. It is true. Feels like a loss. Give me the clown. Well deserved. Oh, yeah, you asked for it. If you want, dude. But, no, I don't think that warrants the clown, Just a missed opportunity. Nice 10-10. We're looking at Drip, too. I feel good about that play. Now financial advice. About 3X oil. Shorting oil. All right, good luck to you guys. It's oversold now, though, so be careful. 29 RSI, but it has come down quite a bit in the last 2 weeks. Women have ladder match, steel cage, Royal Rumble. Women are doing same match like men in WWE now. Are they? I don't know. I haven't watched wrestling in a long time, but I think the quality of the matches for the women have gotten better. All right, so yeah, some of you guys are saying Revlon, some of you guys are saying AMC. So I don't know. Let's see the charts here. Guess AMC would get more. Oh, Revlon's going up in the aftermarket. Holy crap. I think we're going to do Revlon. And no AMC. Because we can't do AMC, but it didn't even move too much. And there's not too many indicators. There's just like a cup and handle and descending or symmetrical triangle. That's like literally it. And in Revlon, there's not too many indicators either, but at least there's like big price action. But not as many mentions. I think we'll just do Revlon. What up, Jared? What's up, dude? Thanks for being here. All right, so we're gonna do Revlon, guys. We'll stick to the original plan. Revlon and then the Yolos. So I said 5:30, right? Probably a little bit longer. I don't know. We'll see. Let me just check YouTube real quick. We're at 10 viewers, 14 likes. So a lot of people in here. Happy Friday, everyone. Appreciate you guys for coming out. And please smash that like button if you haven't yet. All right, we're gonna do Revlon and finish up with the Yolos. So just gonna take a quick drink and we'll get started here. And this may take a little longer than usual because I don't have notes today. So I'm just going to like kind of wing this one. All right, let's do it. So here is REV Revlon. This finishes at $3.73 today. That is up 91.28%. So huge price action today. It is definitely short squeezing right now. It has been for the past few days. So social media started talking about the stock yesterday. Didn't get too much mention. It didn't get too many mentions. Not too much momentum. But today, this did make StockTwits top 10. It had about 3,000 mentions, so it's worth talking about today. So there's a reason as to why the stock is squeezing. We had some news from today and yesterday. Let's check it out. So yesterday, June 16th, Thursday, the company Revlon filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy.
And it's gone.
They're not going to go under, but they're going to reorganize their funds here. So, that's supposed to be bearish, actually. So, for whatever reason, I have no idea why, the market took it as bullish and actually started buying shares up and started a short squeeze. Or maybe the reorganization news is bullish. Maybe it was that bad. I don't know. Seems weird. But, yeah, they declared bankruptcy. Logically, that's supposed to be bearish, but for whatever reason, it was bullish. And today, we're getting some more news here. Let's see. Today, there was a rumor. A report came out that the company Revlon can be acquired, may be acquired by Reliance Industries, which is an Indian which I think is an Indian hedge fund. It's either an Indian hedge fund or Indian beauty supply company. But yeah, so today rumors are coming out that the company is going to be acquired by an Indian company, Reliance Industries. So that was pretty bullish. No confirmation just yet, but bullish news. A lot of speculation going on. Market liked it, jumped in here. So that bullish news today is definitely driving the short squeeze higher. So this did almost hit $5 today. Has since pulled back below 4, but still a huge day today, over 90%. And yeah, it looks like the squeeze is still on. Not done just yet. So let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. XBI looking like it's bottoming and making a giant double bottom with C19 low. All right, we'll check it out after this. Okay. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 108. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 490, 525, 660, 790, or even 860. So there's all. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle. Wow. And longer term, this is part of an even. And longer term, this is actually part of an even bigger cup and handle. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. It's kind of bull flagging. I guess we could draw a bull flag. Yeah, my bad, guys. Just kind of freestyling this one. Here it looks like we have a bull flag developing. No confirmation just yet, but we do have a flag pull forming. So all we would need is some pullback to form the flag, and that would be a bullish indicator. That is suggesting that tomorrow, or excuse me, that is suggesting that on Tuesday the stock will run to the upside. Well, that is suggesting that the stock may break out to the upside soon. And in the aftermarket here, this is running up to $4. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator. That is suggesting that on Tuesday, the stock will continue to run to the upside. What up, Healthy Morty?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Please smash the like button, guys. Redbox landed on 12 tons of in-the-money calls. Yeah. These, the apes are winning. The apes are winning. It was up, higher before, but yeah, a lot of those options have to get paid out. Shorts are getting, well, it's come back down, but yeah, right now it's like super battleground territory. A lot of shorts getting wrecked there. Okay, anything else? No. I think I got it. Oh, MACD. MACD, right? That's what I missed. Oh, damn, can't see it in the picture. Yeah, I can't see it. Alright, I gotta readjust the settings real quick. Okay. And down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line is about to cross the signal line to the upside. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. It may be a good time to buy. All right, change it back. Cool. All right, now I think I got everything. Yes. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Mullen running aftermarket. What's it at now? Well, we'll check it out in a second here. Let me just finish up with this. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 390 and 360. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 390, 410, 435, 460, 490, 525, 550, 575, 595, 625, 660, 705, 735, 770, 790, and then 805. There is resistance above 805, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 360, 310, 265, 190, 155, and then the low of 110. So right now at the current price, 373. The channels to the upside and the downside. Well, yeah. The channels to the, I mean, they're pretty wide either way. The channels to the upside are pretty decently sized. Little on the wider side. So if this continues to run to the upside, expect a fairly good amount of price action. But to the downside, the channels are pretty wide, are very wide. So expect a significant amount of price action if this pulls back to the downside. RSI is currently at 49, so that is extremely average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 373 is around fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit higher. And this did 145 million in volume today, way above the average of 1 million. Biggest volume day of the year. So this pump / squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And yeah, a lot of momentum right now. Definitely still in the middle of a short squeeze. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Hope you're doing well also, Morty. Thanks for that. And happy Friday. Okay. Yeah, so through some weird PR here in the last few days, the stock is squeezing now. Well, so yeah, due to a weird combination of PR and retail momentum in the past few days, somehow the stock is squeezing, and it's still going. Looks like it's not done just yet. Bearish news ending up being bullish news. Bullish rumors today. And strong retail momentum online equals short squeeze. And based on the aftermarket action here, and the few indicators we do have, the stock still looks pretty bullish. I think there's still a good amount of upside to go in the squeeze here. And it should keep running next week. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, aftermarket action, possible bull flag, MACD. Really no bearish indicators, and the only neutral indicator is the RSI. So overall, the chart does look pretty bullish still. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. I'm not saying you should do this, because it is somewhat of a gamble. But yeah, it looks like it's still in the middle of a short squeeze, and it still looks like there's a fair amount of upside to go here. Not going to speculate on how high this is going to go. But it looks like there's a good amount of upside to go, and it's not done squeezing just yet. It may have a few more sessions to the upside here. So, personally, I wouldn't go for it because you missed the bottom. You missed a huge run today. But you still can make a good amount of money here going long. So I would say going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. Worth a shot, but can be pretty dangerous too. But again, based on the TA here, based on the technicals, this does look like it has more upside to go in the short term. So if you want to gamble, go ahead. Please do that at your own risk. Yeah, I think it's worth a shot. Definitely a lot more bullish indicators. Definitely looks a lot more bullish than bearish in this situation here. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that just yet, at least. Again, looks like it's still short squeezing, not done just yet. So if you were to go short here at 373, there's a good chance you get burned. Not sure how high it's gonna go, but good chance you get squeezed out. Doesn't look like it's done squeezing just yet. So, I would hold off on the short side. Again, not sure how high it's going to go, but I would just continue to observe the price action. Honestly, and this is subject to change, but I think $9 would be a really good entry on the short side here. Not saying it's going to come up there, but that's where the top of this cup is. Looks like some pretty strong resistance there. So it's a little too early to say what a good short entry would be, but for now I'm going to say $9. So I don't like the entry of 373. But if this continues to squeeze to the upside in the short term, which it sure looks like it will, I think a good shorting opportunity is coming up here. So for now, I would set the sell orders to $9. So I don't like the current entry of 373 on the short side. I would support going short at $9 and higher. And again, it's a little too early. And again, it's still early, but for now, that's my take on this. Try to short this at $9. Subject to change. Okay. So pretty straightforward, guys. Crazy PR happening. Picking up retail momentum. Stock went crazy today. Still squeezing. Looks like it's not done just yet. So if you want to go long, it appears like you're not too late yet, but you missed a lot of upside today. At this point, it's high risk, high reward. If you want to gamble, go ahead. Please do that at your own risk. I think it's worth a shot. Chart looks a lot more bullish than bearish. And if you want to go short, I wouldn't do that just yet. Looks like there's more upside to go. So I would try to time this and catch this at the top. Once the squeeze is over. Easier said than done. But it looks like there's a shorting opportunity coming. It looks like there's a pretty big shorting opportunity coming up here. So just be patient. Wait on it. So just be patient, and when the time comes, take advantage. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is REV Revlon. Alright, guys. So, yeah. Took a little longer than I expected, but I just kind of winged that one. But, yeah, that's all the TA for today. Appreciate you guys. I think that was kind of boring. Hope I didn't bore you guys too much. Let's look at some tickers here, and then we'll move on to the Yolos. So we're looking at XBI and Mullen. Biotech ETF. Double bottom. Yeah, I see the double bottom here. So it looks like the double top is around 73. So this may bounce up to 73. It may come back down again. But yeah, it looks bullish. Gaps to fill. Cup and handle, double top coming here. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'd hold the biotech ETF long term. I gotta see what's in here, but it does look bullish in the short term. And Mullen running after hours. A little bit, couple cents. All right, cool. Shout out to the Mullen apes. So I think it's up like 8% on the day, something like that. That's pretty good. Nice. All right, let's get to the Yolos today, guys. Give me a second. Let me pull it up here. And there's not too many. This should go by pretty fast. So yeah, I think we'll be done by 5:45, unless you guys just want to chill. Let me check YouTube real quick. I think most people dipped. Yeah, we're at 6 viewers, 17 likes. So appreciate all the likes today. A lot of likes. Very successful show. Not much to talk about, but you know, Friday's usually a good streaming day, and a very successful show so far. So appreciate you guys. Appreciate everyone who's still here and who was here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. And anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything, we'll get to that. Otherwise, we'll just finish up here with the Yolos. Alright, pulling them up right now. Alright, we'll give this a second to finish loading here. And I hear a siren. So I'm going to mute while this passes. Give this another second to finish loading. And we'll finish up the show here with some Yolos. I just finished this huge bottle of tea. It is hot today. It's been hot all week. Been wearing like long sleeves and stuff. Been sweating here live during the show. It's like 87 today. Wow. And I don't want to turn on the AC because it's too much background noise. But yeah, doing the shows in the summer is pretty rough. And I don't open the window because there's more noise too. So I'm just like hotboxing in here. Alright, so it's still loading, but I think we'll get started anyway. Alright, so today, guys, this should be fun. I only have 6 Yolos here, and they're mostly memes. I think we have some actual lost coin, 1 or 2 of them. But yeah, nothing too serious. Let's do it, guys. This first one's by Admiral Wallaby 685. Holding off on buying stocks until the market slows down. Hold off on buying stocks until the market slows down. Jim Cramer cautions.
We like to stop.
So yeah, he says, wait, is now the time to buy? So if Jim Cramer says hold off on buying stocks, maybe it's time, maybe this is the bottom. Maybe this is when we should load up. All in margin, FDO, no, I'm totally kidding. You guys know the joke, inverse Jim Cramer. So, bullish to me. Not saying you should buy anything, but yeah, if Jim Cramer says it's not over yet, the market's hasn't bottomed yet, maybe it has. And I'm taking this as a bullish indicator. Reversal, please. Jim Cramer didn't say sell, so how can you do the opposite of hold off buying? Holding off buying. That is true. He didn't sell, he's just holding. So what is he saying? Jim Cramer is always wrong. Not always, but he does get it right occasionally. But more often than not, he's actually wrong. I think there's an actual some websites keeping track of his calls. And yeah, I think 60% of the time he's wrong or something. It's pretty bad. So yeah, you know, I like the guy. He's definitely a great television personality, very entertaining. But yeah, you guys probably should not take financial advice from this guy. But yeah, you guys know the joke. If he says it's slowing down, maybe it's time to buy. Hope so. All right, more Cramer memes by Drew1027. This MFer doesn't miss. Cramer's lightning round, applied materials is a buy. So I'm not sure when he said this. So he said this on the 15th, 2 days ago, June 15th. And today, so this was yesterday, June 16th, it's actually down 8%. So, yeah. More a confirmation bias that he's always wrong. Again, he's not always wrong, but he's wrong a lot of the time. And this was a really bad call here, applied materials. But shout out to Jim Cramer. IJC is inverse Jim Cramer ETF. Is it actually? I know there's a few of them, but yeah, let's check it out after this meme here. Or after the memes, I guess. This is by PK1044. Says Rainbow Bear. Yep, this is pretty accurate. I don't even think I need to say anything for this GIF here. GIF. You got a bull, and you got a big rainbow bear behind them doing his thing. I think that's all the commentary I need to say. Pretty accurate. This is how it is nowadays. Good stuff. Article says it's down 15%, but couldn't find the ticker. Yeah, there's a few inverse Jim Cramer ETFs. I think we looked at one last month or something. I don't think. Yeah, there is no IJC. But I forgot which website it was on, but I saw one where it was outperforming SPY by like a lot this year. The inverse Jim Cramer fund and the inverse Cathie Wood. But yeah, Jim Cramer, Cathie Wood, getting a lot of heat right now. A lot of hate. I guess they kind of deserve it. All right, moving on here. This is by The Chosen Low Bob, 2022 in a nutshell. So another one where I don't have to say too much. But yeah, here, this is obviously in the prison showers. Got the bar of soap, which is your tendies, me, and the Fed. So, yeah, you drop the tendies. Don't bend over to pick them up, or gonna have an unpleasant experience. I feel this one right now. This one resonates with me a lot here. Alright, next one by Psycho Peanut 1. Okay, which one of you degens did this, lol? So, it's someone's yacht here. And it's named To the Moon. Oops. So, I don't think this is a Wall Street Bets ape. But that's pretty cool. I could see Elon Musk doing something like this. It's maybe Elon Musk's. It must be his yacht. It could be his yacht. Maybe Dave Portnoy or something. Tom Brady. One of these one of these rich guys really into crypto. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. If I was this stupid rich, then I may do something dumb like this too. So shout out to this guy. Whoever owns his yacht. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. Give some applause. But here's some financial advice, guys. You should probably not buy a boat, especially a yacht. These things are very expensive to maintain, and you're probably going to lose value on them over time. And yeah, it's going to cost you a lot of money. It's cool, but you're probably not even going to use it that much. Same thing with private jets. You know, there's a saying, if it flies, floats, or F's, rent it, don't buy it. I think that's a good phrase to live by. Alright, and now we got some Lost Corn here. Last one, by me at least. Looks like Low Roller has a link for us. And 1010 has a link for us as well. By Raven BJ. Hi, I'm 22 years old and I invested on Visa, Tesla, Roku, PayPal, Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, Disney. I think it's CRISPR or Corsair, Coinbase, Alibaba, AMD, Apple. In September 2021, without any research and studies about the market. I lost 12K already. What am I supposed to do now? Just hold. Any suggestions are welcome. Okay. So this guy's an IBKR, which is kind of weird because usually newbies don't use IBKR. So, yeah, you can't always generalize that people using, advanced platforms like this know what they're doing, because this guy obviously doesn't. I don't even know why he's here and not Robinhood. Yeah, I lost 12K already, so he's down. So he's still at 16K. He's down 12K, so that's quite a bit. Down almost 50%. But a 22-year-old with 30K that's pretty impressive in the first place. So you lost 12K. What do you do now? Just hold? Yeah, pretty much. If you can, buy more. But it seems like this guy was more aggressive. Seems like more growth stocks. But it doesn't seem like FD Yolos, no options or anything. So yeah. This is an expensive learning lesson, expensive tuition here. So yeah, I would just hold. You don't want to buy high, sell low. So either buy more or, just hold, sell covered calls. You'll be alright. This isn't anything super FD. Maybe you may want to go a little safer in the future. More value, less growth. But, this isn't too bad. This ain't the worst thing in the world. A little worse than what everyone else is going through right now. But yeah, as long as they're stocks, and most of these are like pretty good value stocks. He has some Chinese stuff there too, that's why. But yeah, just hold. Buy more if you can, and it'll come back one day. But it sucks, I know. But yeah, I think for 22 years old, having this much money and learning about investing is a good start. Just don't turn into a degen ape. So yeah, Raven BJ, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude, but we're all feeling the pain right now. And yeah, Just hold, just hold. Possibly average down, possibly sell covered calls. You'll be alright, dude. You'll be just fine. Just don't turn into a super degen ape. Alright. Looks like we got some links here. I'll pull these up. Got 3 from Low Roller and a link from 1010. The Fed is going to help pick up your soap, right? Is that what it is? The Fed wants you to pick up the soap. It wants you to buy again. You know, so it can, so Jay Powell can say F your calls. BOHICA. Bend over. Here it comes again. Yep. Pretty accurate. Pretty accurate. We are getting F'd a lot by the Fed. Not every day, but seems like every other week. Every week. And then we get a slight recovery, and then, yep, here it comes again. Alright, what do we got here? 9K gain. Buying puts on oil the whole month. Ouch. And it finished up with Tesla GME calls from 7K, 7.7 to 2.2 to 16.5K. Oh my god. So we're not going to look at all of this, but yeah, this is some pretty risky stuff. I don't really think you guys should do this. Well, this is what happens when you trade options, when you trade FDs. You get these crazy swings. And this guy almost went bankrupt. He almost went broke, but managed to turn it around and hit it pretty big. So, congrats to this guy. Drage Spear. But I don't think this is responsible investing. It's definitely not. So, don't do this, guys, unless you can afford to gamble like this. But this is more luck than anything. So, good stuff. Should chill out, dude. Good chance you give it all back. 8.74K profit in 3 days. Sold Bitto puts. So he was bullish. He was bullish on crypto the last 3 days. So I guess he took advantage of the high IV. So yeah. I guess buying calls would have been profitable too. But, you know, Team Theta Gang, I like this a lot. Took advantage of high IV on crypto. And chose to sell puts, you know, which I think is a great strategy. I'm all for selling options. So I like this a lot. Well done. Well deserved. Great profit there. Nice gain. When your lost corn spells boobs upside down. Oh, I see it. Nice. Nice. I see it now. And looks like we got one more here. I'll shoot for 100% gains on 100% gamble. I don't see how people do this with big money. Yeah, it's because it's a compulsion. It's an addiction. It's not even about the money, you know. It's about a rush of adrenaline and feeling alive. But yeah, definitely not responsible. You know, if you're gonna play FDs like that, do it with, yeah, you know, money you can afford to lose, a couple $100 or something. I don't know how these apes throw, you know, 5 figures, 6 figures on plays like this. That's so ridiculous. Lost Corn, Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, almost identical to my stock portfolio. I think that's a good thing. That means you haven't lost too much in crypto. Or it means you lost too much in stocks. Ouch. Down 17K all time. Yep. Buy high, sell low. You know the motto. These apes got rich parents? Not necessarily. They could just be saving. It's not too much money, 25K. But it could be rich parents, too. I wouldn't be too happy, though, if I was a parent and I found out my kid was aping with my money. So there's a whole page dedicated to inverse Jim Cramer. So that's pretty cool. We're not gonna go through this whole thing, but yeah, there are some actual inverse Jim Cramer ETFs, and apparently they've been performing pretty well this year. All right, guys, that is the show for today. So yeah, 5:45. So yeah, I said hour 30. We end up going hour 45 here, almost 2 hours. But yeah, pretty short and chill show, guys. You know, appreciate everyone for being here, all the regulars and everyone new today. Give you the meme.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And yeah, you know, I didn't have too much to cover today, not too much content. Pretty uneventful day, but still a great show because a lot of people coming in and chatting today. Big chat today. So shout out to you guys. And that's all I got. So yeah, just a reminder, no show Monday, Juneteenth. So enjoy the long weekend, guys. And I'll see you back on Tuesday next week. So anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put in the chat right now. Charts, anything? Otherwise, we out of here. We're at 8 viewers, 20 likes. Wow. Thank you guys a lot.
I appreciate you.
Let me get a few more likes here.
Another one.
So yeah. Appreciate everyone who stuck, who appreciate everyone who came to the show, who stuck all the way through. And yeah, appreciate everyone who's watching right now. You may not be chatting, but I see you guys. You know, community's growing every single day, and shout out to everyone. Couldn't do it without you guys. Boica, Bohica, Boica. Did you just make that, or is that a real thing? You just make that up, Swarley? All right, guys. So yeah, anything else? Put in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. And yeah, great show today. A lot of people in here, a lot of likes. So please do me a favor, hit the like button on your way out. And let's wrap up here. That's a real thing. Wow. Okay. So we may have to start using that as an acronym in the show. Bohica. I'll look into that. And I'll look into this Vince McMahon scandal going on, because you guys are talking about it a lot. DGITFD. Don't give into FOMO. Don't give into the FOMO demon. Kind of reminds me of TGIF. So we got some acronyms going here. All right. May have to use these in the future. All right. I think that's it, guys. No one's saying anything. So yeah, appreciate everyone. Great show today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. Let's get out of here. See you guys on Tuesday. Bohica. I've never heard of that. Maybe I'm just not in touch with reality here, but I'll look into that. Bohica. Hope it doesn't get flagged by YouTube. Hope it doesn't mean anything that crazy. All right, let's get out of here, guys. I do kind of hear a siren now, though. Never fails. When I need quiet, when I'm filming something important, sirens come blaring by. Never fails. Alright, so, yeah. It's one of these annoying ones when it's, like, kind of far away, but the mic still picks it up. Alright, let's just wait till this to pass. May take a minute. Yeah, I hate New York City. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm just ranting now. So, I went to go move my car today. Yeah, so I got hit. Some guy put a huge scratch on my car. You can't even park a car on the street anymore without people just messing with your stuff. I see, it's crazy out here. I see the tires taken off cars, tires slashed, people stealing everyone's catalytic converters, people just not caring for your property. They'll scratch you up, run into you. No one cares anymore. It's crazy out here. New York is crazy. I gotta get out of here. It's too loud. Alright, I think we're good on the sirens now. But yeah, quick rant over. But, yeah, so I got a huge scratch on my car now. Thanks a lot. Alright, let's get out of here, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. Excuse me. Getting allergies or something. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.